welcome back on this channel, but I'm getting way too emotional. I told you that we will see dump, and we see exactly this dump. We see the dump to 64k, and I'm expecting that we could go even lower, as I told you in my previous videos. But what I am doing, beside ordering decaf skim milk cappuccino, I today in the morning I'm waking up and boom, I'm going at 5x position on paper long with $10,000, which is right now value $50,000, and obviously I'm $300 in a loss. Like, what the fuck? I'm way too emotional. I tell you we will see dump, but going into a long, before I set my limit orders. I show you later where I set my limit orders on paper, but I'm standing at the elevator. It's 7 in the morning and I'm going $50,000 long position. What the fuck? What the fuck? Because I have the fear of missing out, you know? Because I'm thinking, fuck, we will see now a massive pump happening. And tell me, what do you think? But I mean, obviously, bro, Bitcoin could now retest 66k. Why we could retest 66k? Because you see we have here some liquidity at 65k, so whales could liquidate here the short positions quickly. But I'm pretty sure that we will go down to 63k. I mean, at 63k we have here also a support line coming in, which is here the support line which you see here. This support line, but we could go even to 61k. As I told you yesterday, to 61k we still could see wick, but 63k is like, for me, like, I'm pretty sure we will see 63k. I'm expecting even lower than 63k, because you see here there's a lot of liquidity to grab at till 6600 approximately. So, and in this case, obviously, if we see this dump, obviously I'm expecting here to see dump in Fed to $1.40 at least. Where I want to enter, I want to enter to $1.37. I prepared limit order to going long on Fed, but also Pepper expecting at 1.088. This, by the way, we had two profits, but we could go even as low as 1.00. I mean, in the big picture, obviously, bro, we are so short before a massive huge pump. We have this huge cup and handle to 100k. We have here the standing broadening wedge, which is leading us almost to 100k. We have on the weekly, if we are watching, we have this massive bull flag, which is also the price target of 100k. We have here the money supply, which is so crazy, bro. Look how perfectly it's in alignment with the bull market. You see here, this was the bull market 2022. This is the USA money supply, and as money is getting printed, we saw a pump in Bitcoin here 2022, 2021, the bull market where we reached all-time high. Then they increase the interest rates, the money supply goes lower, we saw a dump. Here was the bear market, and right now since 2024 they start printing. What we see a pump in the market. We see the Bitcoin is pumping here. Look how, I just want to show you, man, how beautifully is this correlated. This is so crazy. It's really unbelievable. If you're watching always the big picture, and if you're not so emotional like me, then you can make so easy money. But I'm so stupid that I'm so emotional. You see here, look, starting here in 2024, 2023, when they start printing money, boom, we see pump in the market. Look how beautifully this correlates. You see 2023 here reached the bottom, and here we start pumping, and the same we see here, boom, 2023, boom, here 2023. You see, oh, that's crazy, and we're starting pumping. That's really crazy. But not only this, we have also the whole global economy is starting to pump, because global money supply is increasing, and the more money we have, what they're doing, they put in risky assets. The less money we have, they sell the risky assets. So this looks everything beautifully. And also we have FTX, but there's some rumors, you know, people saying, oh fuck, FTX 60 billion, they will distribute the 60 billion. Bro, it's only rumors, because now here the news came out, FTX distribution, it literally came out when the news came out here 1 hour ago. FTX distribution payments are postponed beyond September 30 due to the pending court approval. So the court even didn't approve yet the distribution of the 60 billion. With the next hearing set for 7th October, so in 7 days or in 8 days, they will and in 8 days the court will approve or not the distribution of the 16 billion. So it's even not approved yet, so they're not distributing yet, but they will. I'm pretty sure they will distribute the 16 billion. In the big picture, it's not much money, because $1 trillion market cap, $1.2 trillion market cap is Bitcoin. The 16 billion would not even pump Bitcoin by, I think, maybe 1% would pump Bitcoin. But if they put in paper, this would be amazing. Anyways, this all is very bullish. China is printing, global money is printing, USA start printing. So we are so short before pump. But you know, I'm a trader. You know, I have on spot my money, but I am a trader. I want to bam, you know, make also this quick money. You know, this, you know, bro, come on. To be honest, it's so stupid, but you know, I love this adrenaline. And I mean, I prepared here my paper position at 1006 because I'm anxious that I'm missing out, that paper will straight pump through, but I don't expect this. I think we will cool down. I think, as I said, Bitcoin will go here as high as we could see one more liquidation week to 66k to retest again, and then to retest all the to liquidate all the short position, and then liquidate all the longs again to 64, 63k, maybe even 61k, and then see this huge pump to the upside. I mean, if we are watching even on the 1 hourly, it says right now, wait a minute, it says right now, you see we have green dot, we have here the RSI is oversold, we are getting into bull flag. So this speaks for, we see pump right now in the immediate short term. We should see pump here at least to the price level of 65k approximately. But on the 4 hourly, we are also, yes, we are already oversold, but on the 4 hourly, we still have here red dot, we have here red dot, appeared here red dot, we are losing momentum, and I'm expecting here to see some more dump happening in the immediate short term. Also, we are going here to see death cross on the daily, so this speaks all that we could go as low as 60k here. In worst case, we could go even as low as 50k, which would be even better, because then I can get even a better long position, and this is really the last days where we will see a massive one last dump before a massive pump. And by the way, we are about to close this monthly candle with 16 hours left, and don't forget, usually the September was always a red candle, or historically so the probability, in case we should close this as a red candle, for this case we need to be below 60k. We need to close below 60k. Imagine, this would be nice if we are dumping at 58k. We would see here Pepe dumping down for sure to 1 or even to 0.95. This would be so amazing, because then I can get so juicy position. And I'm even thinking about, and please bro, don't repeat this, it's so stupid from me, I'm even thinking about to sell one of my spot position on IDEX, which is so stupid, and going 2x on Pepper, because I don't think if I getting here this entry, I don't think that Pepper will ever, until the bear market hit here 0.5. I don't think so. Bro, this is so stupid. Fuck. But I'm so hyped up, because you cannot imagine, they're printing so much money. This bull market will be retarded. You start, you know, all these liquids will go out of your mouth, because you will go crazy. This bull market will be the most historical bull market in the bull market history, bro. This will be crazy. So, and also I'm thinking here to go to buy Fed. I think we could go at $1.43, but even at $1.30, because this is the next support line here. And I mean, obviously Fed, we are expecting here Fed to go to all-time high. At least the all-time high was at $4, so this would be 160% long opportunity. Imagine I will go here with 40k on 2x, it's 80k, and I make 160%. It's like over $120,000, which I would make in 3 weeks or 4 weeks approximately. But the big price target, what I'm expecting here for Fed is here that we are going to $10 even. Oh my god, man, raw shit. And S&P 500 also, we're expecting that we will retest here 5,600. Still, we never retested it. We have a new all-time high, but we also, or at least, yeah, 5,600. Whoa, bro, look at this. fuck, man, I'm really a genius in drawing lines, even if they're not always working out. But look at this, we have this support line and we have this support line, the previous all-time high, and if we would retesting it, this is the perfect common point here. So expecting here also to retest. It cannot be that it's up only. Bro, tell me, please tell me your opinion. It cannot be. I mean, in the bull market, the few, 2-3 months, there's up only. I mean, you have a little bit sideways. But right now, there's one last dip. I mean, it's not even a dip considering if Bitcoin here dumping only, let's say even we're dumping 60K, it's 6% dump. This is really nothing for crypto. Please tell me, what do you think? I mean, we see also the open interest start again to rise, which speaks for another dump. Wait a minute. You see here the open interest starting to rise, which speaks for another dump. So I think we should cool down here also at least to here to this level of 80K back again before we see another dump, or even or 70K before we see another pump, I mean. And what we have else, so obviously we're in this belief phase. So we have here the what I showed you, the rainbow chart says buy, bro, buy clearly. By the way, anyone knows this coin, DNX? Everyone is hyping this up and has only 37 million market cap. I didn't invest in it and I don't get paid by this, but I see on Twitter people hyping it up, and I'm following always the attention. Where's the attention? There's the money, and I'm thinking about to invest in it, but I don't know yet. I'm not invested in it yet. What do you think? Do you know this project? It's a nice project. Should I invest in this project? The market today is very it's red and green 50-50. We see SUI exploding like crazy, and SUI will have in several hours, they will release another 160 or 130 million approximately on tokens, which investors got locked. But I mean, it has 4.7 billion market. Even if they will sell 120 million, it will dump maybe to approximately $1.65 or something like that. But this looks very promising. I think $4 billion market cap. I think this one could do another 7x from here in this bull run. SUI looks nice. I'm holding also SUI. Tau is pumping like crazy, but already 4 billion market cap. Not interesting for me right now. Yeah. This is how it looks like. I moved my my Bitcoin position to 60,559K. Long position. What do you think about this, Bratan? What do we have else to share with you? No, I shared everything. What do you think about it, Bratan? Thank you for watching and kiss you and see you later. Mwah!